Hi there. Today, I'm going to walk you through the main features of the Voiset admin panel. We'll focus on the dashboard, which is your main workspace. We're now on the dashboard here. You'll find all the important information you need in one place: current tasks. You can see a list of tasks either assigned to you or created by you. Next, workload calendar. This visually highlights days with tasks, and the color intensity reflects your workload. You can select a date range or pick a specific day to view its tasks. At the bottom of the page, notes. All your notes are collected here, and you can later turn them into tasks. To the side, analytics. This section shows up-to-date information about your tasks, notifications, alerts for important events. You can also quickly switch between workspaces, each with its own tasks, calendar, and analytics. Working with tasks on this page, you have a filter to customize how tasks are displayed. You can filter by tasks created by you or assigned to you by others. There's a handy feature called Task to Do, which displays all your active tasks. If needed, you can export tasks to Excel with a single click, great for reports or sharing information. Managing task access Voiset lets you share tasks via direct links. You can control access to tasks by either granting or revoking it for other users. This access can be given to both registered Voiset users and external users. Main calendar for more detailed task planning. Voiset provides a personal calendar. You can view tasks in daily, weekly, or monthly modes to organize and visualize your workload. The calendar focuses solely on your tasks, making it a convenient personal planner. In conclusion, the dashboard is designed to give you a quick overview of your tasks, notes, analytics, and notifications. It's your go-to screen for managing all processes. Features like filters, task export, and access management make working with tasks even easier. Thank you for watching. I hope the Voiset interface now feels intuitive and helpful for your daily workflow. Bye-bye.